Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video where today I am playing, what is this called? NFL Universe, I'm pretty sure. Anyway, this is a super fun game. You guys should check it out. Anyway, yeah, look it up because it is a great, oh my gosh, no, come on. Anyway, there are some technical difficulties, but other than that, it's perfect. Refresh server list. Falcons. Anyway, let's get this up. Falcons versus something. And I'm a Falcon man, I think. Am I a Falcon? Tell me I'm a Falcon. Tell me I'm a flippin' Falcon, folks. A flippin' little Falcon. Kicker. Punter. Vote. Punt returner. Vote. Kick returner. Vote. Voting. Alright, folks. I'm doing this. Alright. Boom. That's actually pretty good. Let's do this! Woo! Ouch. Dude, that hurt. Alright. Hey! Oi! Alright, personal foul, man. Stupid Patriots. Sorry for all those Patriots fans watching mine. What the heck? Falcons will win. You cannot beat me. Never. Stop blocking me. I hate you all. Ah! No. No. No, he won it. Although it's just because of him, his people blocking everything. Look, I would have had a perfect thing there. If they hadn't blocked me. Ouch, that must have hurt that guy's head. Anyway. Alright, so guys, this is basically a really great game, even if you can't beat anybody. Mainly because of the lockers! No, I'm kidding. Throw it over here. 2-point fan! Woo! Alright. So hopefully we're gonna get a full game down here. We're probably not, but hopefully. Anyway. Alright, let's go, man. Ooh, that's a nice kick. The guy actually caught it. Get him! Get him! Get him! No! My bad. Sorry. Here, dude, I'm open, man. Dude. Can you not see me? I am so open right now. Oh, it's caught. Okay, that's good, too. Yeah. I get to block now. My favorite part. Blocking you. Oh. Yay! Yeah, sorry guys, I have a little bit of a cough. Anyway, so yeah, I'll come back when I'm I'm a little further on, and right over here, dude. Right here. No one on me. Oh, come on. That's stupid. You're stupid, man. That was a horrible pass. It's horrible. Also, it was my fault. I'm sorry that I let you down. Alright, let's go. The kick is good! Oh my word, that's like a 20 long field flipping goal. Oh, I just tackled someone. Oh, I just tackled someone. Yeah, baby. Ha, ha. Sorry. I shouldn't be laughing, man. Shouldn't be laughing. No! Let me get it! I try, man. I try. And I sometimes cry. Get tackled! Woo! No, no, no. You're not allowed to take it. He's running it, man! Gain of like something on the play. Gain of something on the play. First down! Oh, we said that. Boo! Why did you slip and call a timeout, man? We don't need a timeout, man! We don't need a timeout, man! We need to get the ball back, man! Yes! Incomplete! Incomplete! Woo! Thought I was gonna have to kill him. Sorry, not kill him. This is kid friendly, so I really shouldn't be saying words like that. That's just mean. Die! 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 No! We lost, folks. We lost. Oh, it was so close. That was 2 points on us. No. We lost. We lost, man. We lost. We lost. No. Sorry. Anyway. Ah, come on. Work, dang! Okay, come on. Yes! Climb up, get on here. Hello, man. How are you? I'm trying to get to you. Okay, never mind. I can't get to anybody right now. Hello. Best day ever. Hello. How are you today, mate? Oh, well, actually, I'm like really, really good. I'm like doing really good right now. Go, man! Go! 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 Watch out. No! 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 Run it! Man, run it! I think we'll get 2 points! Maybe. I don't know. But if we do, it'll be amazing. Yes! Oh my gosh, guys! It's going into overtime! Sorry. It's going into overtime, folks. Come on, boys! Let's go! Patriots, everyone. Would you like to kick or receive, Patriots? Patriots, elect to receive. Good choice. Which direction would you like to defend? Patriots elect to defend north. Good luck, gentlemen. I don't need good luck. I need the best of luck. Literally, because I'm the worst kicker ever. Oh, dude, that was actually really good. Other than that, it totally... Come on, run. Yeah! We got him back a long way, boys. Alright. Keep him here. Keep him here. Don't let him throw it. What the heck? How did we not see that person? Tackle him! He's going backwards. Ha! Backwards, man. Loss of 16. We got him. No! Dang it! First down. Okay. That was pretty good, I have to admit. Okay, not very good. Pretty good. Very good. Bye! No, what the heck? Yo, man! Yes! Nicely done. Woo! It should be a woo, not a boo. This team doesn't know what it's talking about. Anyway, hopefully we can do this. Look at him. He's like, hey guys, I'm cool because I don't have a care in the world. But then he fumbles it. What the bleep? Sorry. I'm sorry I cursed. I didn't mean to. Hack, hack, hack. Folks. Folk. What the heck? Man. Throw correctly. Look right here, man. Right here. Right here. My word. He's so stupid. So very stupid. Oh, never mind. He's not stupid anymore. Nicely done, man. Woo! That was a very good pass and run. Are you gonna throw it to me? No? Okay. That works too. Touchdown, Falcons! We're gonna win! I bet we are. Boom! I'm not good at beatboxing. I'm not really good at anything right now. Falcons have won! Patriots didn't win. Ha ha ha. 4 tackles. Look at that. I'm amazing. I only got 1,000 coins. Well, all in all, I think I did the best. No offense to anybody else. But, yeah, guys, that will be it for this episode. I hope you all have enjoyed it. Please leave a like and a comment and a subscription for, for me. And I will see you all later. Goodbye!